Good morning guys, this is Bram, and today's video we're going to watch a short film using smooth speech because we're going to summarize while watching it. So let's go. I'm going to summarize it while watching. Okay. Every video, if I'm ready to summarize it, I will post it. And I will post the video first and to summarize it now. I will summarize it now. Let's go guys. Let's go. Let's see. I better hold it. Oh, first happens. I think he wrote a letter for his dad because it's his birthday. He wrote. Preheated. Look, what happened? I think his dad drank wine. I think he got drunk. I think his dad is drunk. His dad is drunk. His said feel too hot. Oh my gosh, bro. The boy decided something for his dad's birthday. Dad. Yeah. Oh no. The wine got spilled in his hands. Ew, it's really dirty. Look. His hands got red. And then look. It also burned. You see? I think it's just wine. So he washed his hands. Oh my gosh, guys. Never do that in house. I think he decided to make a cake for his dad's birthday. Oh, it burned. It really burned. He's making a cake now. Do you think his dad will become happy if the boy make cake for his birthday, for dad's birthday again? Let's see. Do you think he's really making a cake? Yes. Oh no. His hands. Oh, all-purpose flour. That's the ingredients for baking a cake, okay? Woo! So tasty. Oh, the sugar's falling. Close it. Yum! Oh no, it's done. I think that would become happy if
Done? Okay.
no, wait.
Ayaw mo pang makasuko.
Okay, so since his son baked cake, I think that would become happy. As you can see earlier, his dad is drunk for drinking too much wine. Drinking too much. Oh, candle. Subscribe.